All right, so we're gonna walk you through now roles within Brivvy. We keep this straightforward, simple, and hopefully sweet. So let's jump right in. What we have within Brivvy are two roles when creating a workspace. So you have admin and you have member. Admins can access these three main areas within the settings, workspace settings. So general, of course, setting up your account. Members, so adding members, removing members, suspending members, reactivating members, all those good things. And then, of course, billing. When you add somebody to your workspace and you go to new member, you can either invite them, of course, as member or admin. And when you've already invited somebody to your workspace, you need to change their settings. For example, let's make Vlad an admin. I'm going to go ahead here, and I'm going to make him an admin. Of course, this works in the inverse as well. So if I want to come and I want to say, okay, Nadia, we're going to go ahead and make you a member, I simply click here, and boom, now they become a member. Thank you for your time, and have a great day.